Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by assembling materials and making the first precision folds. Fold one sheet in half, then unfold to score a center crease. Make a second perpendicular crease to locate the exact midpoint. Once done, trim a 1/2 strip from the short edge to create a stiff spine piece. Make sure to keep edges aligned. Minor misalignment compounds later. Use the bone folder to sharpen creases so subsequent locking folds will seat tightly and hold shape. Now build the central mechanism that simulates temporal motion. Interlock the layered sheets by cutting aligned 1/4 slits and weaving tabs through to create a flexible lattice. Once woven, compress the assembly and fold opposing flaps inward to form a cam-like perimeter. Apply 1/8 tape along interior seams only, not the moving faces, so flexibility remains. Make sure the lattice moves smoothly. If it resists, reopen the relevant slit. Finish by attaching the previously trimmed spine piece to the lattice edge and bend it to a 30 to 45 degree cam angle to initiate motion. To activate, flex the edges through 10 to 15 controlled cycles, observing how panels glide. This stabilizes the assembly. If you see binding or torn fibers, stop and troubleshoot. Lightly fan the problem crease with a damp cloth. Do not soak. Then recrease sharply and retest. Make sure to tape only repaired sections and repeat cycles slowly until smooth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.